Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be talking about confirmation emails. Specifically, we're going to be talking about how to set up or adjust your order confirmation emails inside of the platform here. The order confirmation email is going to be what people receive as soon as they make a transaction inside of your account, whether that's in a funnel or the store, doesn't matter. Either way, it's going to trigger this specific response inside of the platform here. And I'm just going to show you how to go in and adjust that and customize it to your liking, right? So inside of the platform here, let's go ahead and head to workspace settings in that left-hand navigation. From here, let's go ahead and click on system emails. It's gonna be in that new left-hand navigation that we see. And as of right now, all of these emails that we see, whether it's affiliates, courses, orders, community, or appointments, these are all going to be system emails that are essentially going to be sent out whenever they are triggered in the platform, right? So if someone's added to a course, there's some course-specific system emails. But the ones we're looking at today are going to be order-specific. So if we click on orders here, it's going to be that middle option out of all the ones that are listed here. You will see an option down here near the bottom called order confirmation email. Now, all of these other ones are still relevant, and you should still go through and customize them if you'd like to. I recommend just making sure the branding is correct and on point to make sure that it is representing your business. But the one at hand here that we're going to be talking about is going to be order confirmation email. To adjust this, just click on it directly, and this should take you to this page right here, where we then want to go ahead and click on Edit Custom Template. All right, once that loads, it'll take us to the actual email editor for this particular template or for the system email. The main things I probably wouldn't adjust are going to be like these merge tags that you see here in the middle of the page. These are going to be pulling in the products or the actual details of each transaction to make sure that everything is showing correctly, meaning the product, the quantity that they purchased, the actual price they paid, and the total, including all the discounts, shipping, and taxes, right? So it's going to calculate all that, bring all the information in as each transaction is made. So I probably wouldn't touch this, but aside from that, you can go over here and adjust basically anything else. You can add things, you can add a new title to the page, you can add images, you can do whatever you want to this page. Again, the only thing I wouldn't touch is going to be this guy right here. But as you can see, we replaced the logo down here. On your side, likely you are seeing the ClickFunnels logo. Just click on that directly. From there, you can change the image if you'd like to, or remove it altogether. Totally up to you. But you can go and customize everything to your liking, right? If you want to drag things over or add to this, all you have to do is drag and drop. Put it where you want. There you go. And then, go in and actually edit the element depending on what you are adding to the email. Right, but there's a bunch of different things here. If you want to add social icons, you can. Just know that everything is over here under content. You can also add new rows, right, by clicking on rows here, and there's a bunch of different configurations that you can start from. There we go. And then settings. This is just overall settings for like the background color and the link colors being used and all that good stuff. But anyways, the main thing is that you're probably going to be looking at here is going to be the content itself. Once everything is good to go and you have all the elements in place, you have everything adjusted as you want it to be, go ahead and click on Publish and Exit in the right-hand side of the screen. And this will take you to, give it a second to load, this page right here, the one we started on before we went into the email editor. And on this page, the next thing we have to do is make sure that we have this guy right here enabled. Okay, by default, when you come out of the editor, it's going to look just like this. Just simply click on it and it'll highlight or toggle to the right, and then you'll be good to go. All right. Below this, you'll have the ability to go in and actually adjust the subject line as well. You don't have to, you can leave this as is. By default, it will just say, thank you for your order. In my case, I just added the first name of the person that is making the transaction, just to make it a little bit more personable. But if you want to, you can use merge tags over here. There's a list here of a bunch of different order-specific merge tags, and you can go in and customize the message however you'd like, okay? If you decide that you do not like any of the changes that you've made and you want to go back to the original, there's also a reset email to default button right here, just so you know. All right, so nothing is set in stone. You can always revert back to the original. But anyways, once you've made all your adjustments with the email body, the subject line, go ahead and save, and that is it. That's all you have to do. After that, your new automated email or new system email is in place and set to customized. When people go in and make a transaction, they should receive that new custom email that you've just went in and created. All right, and that is it when it comes to the order confirmation email inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. If you have any questions around anything that we covered today, make sure to let me know down below. Otherwise, if you want to stay ahead of the curve when it comes to anything tech related, such as trainings just like this or feature releases on the platform, we have a free newsletter that you can sign up for down below. Other than that, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.